Miracle worker, miracle worker. Thank you for that miracle, that miracle. Destiny helper, destiny helper. Thank you for that destiny, that destiny. Thank you for that destiny, that destiny. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle maker. Your name is Yahweh.
Are you people of Mamana? At this juncture, let me specially recognize our leader. US Africa, Left Venture, Honorable Minister. That's what we can our leader. That's what we can our leader. He's not a person than Senator Mao Rabuma, Chairman BOT, PDP. The East Central District of our state, Senator Onwen Onyeso, Senator represents the Chairman of APC, River State, Chief Story Okota, Executive Director Project, South Development Commission. Permit me also to recognize Chief Eneka Woke, former Chief of Staff, and now this one of our own, a loyal son of Ikwere land, Honorable Chidi Amadi, Chief of Staff to the Minister. We have his entourage, a minister's entourage. Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to also recognize the presence of Dr. Nema Weni, from the man who represented the Ikwere Ewa in Federal Constituency. Honorable Elder Chidi Wenyoka. You are welcome, sir. Again, we have Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Distinguished leaders of our dear states, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, may I, on behalf of the leaders, the renewed up family of Oyibo local government area, the entire Oyibo people, welcome you and your entourage to Oyibo local government on this auspicious occasion of your thank you visit. Your Excellency, the decision to embark on this thank you visit reflects leadership and commitment to the people, and we are very grateful for all you have done for us. Your Excellency, time will fail us to begin to enumerate. Therefore, we want to say thank you. Your Excellency, my people, the people of Oyibo has asked me to tell you that for all you've done for us, we will continue to support you as we have always done. Just speak. Like the biblical Samuel, speak, we will hear. And we will do exactly what you will direct us to do. Once again, Your Excellency, welcome to Oyibo. Relax with your people and enjoy your visit. Thank you and may God bless.
Yeah. When he was on seat, he was a youth-friendly parliamentarian. He was a capacity leader, and he is still a capacity leader of the Oyibo local government area. He is also the member of River State House of Assembly. He's a simple man, but like I said, he has capacity. Please join me as I welcome for his solidarity speech. Please put your hands together. Your hands are not too busy. Please put them together as I welcome Honorable Gerald of 4G. Please put your hands together for him. You're welcome, sir.
Your Excellency, Chief Barrister Eze-Wonye, the Honorable Minister of FCT, my father, my mentor, my leader, my political manufacturer. Your Excellency, for avoidance of doubt, my name is Gerald Chinyere-Maka, 1 year to Wike of Oji, the member representing the good people of Oyibo State constituency. Your Excellency, I do not want to bore you with rhetoric, but to say two things here. One is to say thank you for coming, to say thank you on my behalf and other candidates that were elected in 2023. Today, you have come to rekindle hope and happiness in the minds and the hearts of the people. Looking at them, you can see how happy they are having you around. My father, I say thank you for coming. Secondly, I want to say here, for my leaders to hear, for good people of Oyibo to hear, that my loyalty to you is 100%. I do not have gold or silver to offer you, but to say that since you are my political manufacturer, you are my remote control. Whenever you punch the button, I will perform accordingly. Your Excellency, thank you and God bless you.
A former president of National Youth Council, a former House of Assembly member, a former House of Representative member, Right Honorable Chisom Promise DK for his solidarity speech.
Your Excellency, on behalf of the good people of Oyibo local government, I want to welcome you to our local government. Your Excellency, it is only under your leadership that you can have leaders of Oyibo local government work together because of the kind of leadership you provide in River State. Everybody, every leader in Oyibo local government are comfortable to work under your leadership. And we are working together, we are united. Your Excellency, Oyibo people have not been able to come to say thank you for the road, the only access road that we have for so many years. Oyibo's road was impassable. Nobody can pass through this road. But before the end of the administration, you hear the cries of the people of Oyibo local government area. Today we have a standard road from Oyibo Express to Oyibo, to Osan, Okoloma to Ayama. You made it possible. We have not come to say thank you. But on your own, you came back to Oyibo local government to come and tell us thank you for voting for the President of Nigeria, Tinubu. The only thank you that we have, since we have not been able to say that thank you to you, we have agreed, the people of Oyibo local government, all leaders and the people, as you can see here today, the beautiful women, the colorful women, the leaders, everybody in Oyibo local government have come together. We are only going to say thank you to you by responding to whatever instruction you will give come 2027. Wherever you say we should go, that is where all of us are going to go. There is no going back. You are the governor that we see today because you are a minister. We don't even feel like we have a governor in River State. I can remember that when I was in the House of Assembly and House of Rep, I am more comfortable and fine. It is only under your leadership that someone that is out of office will be happy, and people in office will also be happy.
You are taking care of everybody, whether you are in office or you're not of office. Everybody is happy. There is no way that can say that Presidents has not touched his life. So what are we waiting for? The only way we can say thank you is to do whatever he asks us to do. Therefore, come 2027, that mistake that was done will be corrected in Rivers State. We are ready and we are united, and the people of Oyibo are ready. I am happy to work under their leadership. Under the leadership of Ambassador Desmond Akawo, he is the leader, the political leader of Oyibo local government area. Therefore, wherever he stands, all of us will keep behind and will give the results. Come 2027. Thank you very much for coming, and God bless your intellect and others that are supporting you in Rivers State. God bless all of you. Thank you, and God bless you. A 19th century British Prime Minister, he said that in politics, there are no permanent enemies, there are no permanent friends. What is permanent is your interest. I want to say, our people are gathered here today because of one interest. That interest is to bring back Mr. President. No? The man who gave the mandate to represent the people of Oyibo, Tai, and the elementary constituency in Federal House of Representatives, your friend and your brother, a performer and a gentleman, Honorable Prince Felix Uche. Oyibo mamanu, Oyibo rieno, Oyibo nono, bano, elano. The Honorable Minister for Federal Capital Territory, Barrister Chief Dr. Wike, my dear friend, distinguished leaders who accompanied him. Sir, I want to, on behalf of the people of Oyibo, assure you that this local government politically is your own. Any day, any time, we will deliver the votes here. Wherever you want us to do it, wherever you want us to send it to, because all of us are working together. Sir, let me tell you, let me remind you, in 2023 presidential election, Oyibo local government was the first to post their result, presidential election result. We were the first. It was because of our result that you started calling other AGAs. Have you seen what Oyibo did? We are going to do it again and do it better. Sir, I like to tell you, I like to inform this audience that where you stopped development in Oyibo, that's where it has been. Nothing new has added. Where it stopped road construction, schools and all that, that's where we are. Since 2023, July till now, Oyibo is stagnant development-wise. So, next time, I know you will correct the wrong and bring a proper person for us. We will support. I would like to conclude by saying, sir, that
We are not divided. Anybody that is not here with us is inconsequential. Anybody here that is not here with us in Igbo local government, doing what we are doing now, don't take the person serious. Very inconsequential. On that note, I would like to say, Mama, Oyibo Mama no, Mama no, Mama no, Mama no. Thank you.
It's a round of applause for of the leaders. A man of several characteristics, a man of character, a man that you can fight for, a man that has held many positions. He's no other person than the man who represents us in South Korea as an ambassador. The man, the former chairman of PDP River State, the former commissioner for water resources. Many positions. But today, Your Excellency, I want to tell you that he is the ambassador of Renewed Hope River State. He is no other person than His Excellency, a man who has done his dues, both in Nigeria, both outside Nigeria, and in the world. A humble and loyal servant. He is no other person than His Excellency, ambassador.
Used in ushering Simlai Fubara into government house before he abandoned us. Your Excellency, yes, sir. It's a 1 week in River Southeast. They call you the tsunami of politics in River State. In River Southwest, they call you the Swamp Boogie of River Southeast. In River Southeast, they call you the naked wire. We want to welcome you to your land, Oyibo. Your Excellency, you liberated us. If not, Oyibo would have been on lockdown every Monday. You liberated us and made sure no portion of River State was ceded to IPOB. We have not forgotten it. My brothers have mentioned about the road that you have done for us. So we are very grateful. We are grateful about employment. We are grateful. You have sent me to revenue mobilization. We are not ungrateful people. But sir, permit me to mention, if we don't say it, it will not be said again. We elected Simlai Fubara being an Ibani man that we are going to benefit. Your Excellency, the way you stopped development in Oyibo, that is where it has stopped. Yes. He has not dropped an inch in Oyibo. All he has given Oyibo people was the slot of the commissioner which we gave him. And I tell him that it is over. On behalf of my people in Oyibo, Your Excellency, permit me to speak to him in a way he will understand. Any Ngarai, Nanda Dumbiachi, you will have about 600 billion naira. More than where you are, Church Basalao. He can't know Oyibo. I gave vote to your door, Lawa. No Kugulan. Oyibo, I gave vote to you. You shut in any way. I take a right away. No, you want to tell me. No, you want to tell me. A guy got government has all done. But if we doom in a way, more than where it's well allow. I'm away came in 1999. Where is that? Well, he got no evil. Or when Gaia, I vote to your door. I see Ilawa. Abakowaya, and I'll be a go guapi. Lawa knows Wole.
Your Excellency, what I'm telling my brother is that it is well. I've just told him that it is well. I want to thank you, sir. This place, Honorable Felix Weke has already told you. I don't know who else is not here. The few of our aides that are with him, Your Excellency, since the House of Assembly has mentioned that 600 billion, they want to collect their own portion. Allow them so that they can get something from that 600 billion. Outside that, the whole of you people are complete. Yes, sir, please, with all due respect, may I invite you to speak to your people in a way they will understand. Ambassador Extraordinary, former Commissioner of Water Resources, former Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Federal Commissioner, Ambassador, New Hope, River State. Our dear Zonal Vice Chairman, one of our leaders, the Zonal Vice Chairman South, All Progressive Congress, Chief Victor Tomari Diallo, the two chairmen, one of the People's Democratic Party, Aaron Chukwuemeka, and our dear brother Chief Tony Okocha of the APC. The single senators here, all of our leaders, chairman of this great council. My dear people of Igbo, I said it would be wrong to take your support for granted. There was no time I have come to Igbo and begged for something you did not give me. You have always given it to me. Nobody, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, so we can now I need. So, I felt it would be wrong that we have entered 2026, and I know I will come back here. But before I come back, let me come and say thank you for the work you have done for me. Because we are not ungrateful people. We appreciate what God used you to do for us. In 2023, it was tough. We took a decision. We never knew where we were going to. But we said in life, we must take a risk. And we took that risk to the glory of God, see where we are. We get more canon who basically marking. First of all,
You know the problem in this world, in this country, when you see people who are better than you, instead of you to say, look, how will I be that way so I can grow? You begin to be jealous, envious of such persons. I challenge any state in this country today, if you may have the capacity, put the two parties together and see what it takes. This is the only state you can see the main two political parties working together. We did it in 2023. We said, President, you will take this one. The other party take this one. Not to say it happened. That's the one to Omega. Where's the Tone of Kocha? This is the chamber of APC. This is the chamber of PDP. Every state that can do, tell them to come out. Not to talk church. Baby, whoa. If I don't say this, let me warn those who come to River State because you have heard about 600 billion. You come here, you connect, and you open your mouth, you talk anyhow. I want to say it. You know, when you are doing something for the interest of everybody, some people will come out to make sure those things don't work. I say it here, Victor, tell you that I want to say it here. Take this message. Tell your national secretary, leave River State alone. Leave River State. Go and ask those who have tried it before. Go and ask those who have tried it before. Don't take our support for Mr. President for granted. You have to be careful the statement you make. You have to be careful. Go ahead. Today, you are enjoying in Osun. You don't know those who did the work. You are opening your mouth to talk about River State. Anything you see, take it. Anything you see, what?
Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement.
When Mr. President comes back, when I see the Minister of the Economy, I will tell them to tell him go and ask other people what has happened to them before. Putting River State, carry your hand to come to River State. If your hand burns, don't say the people no more. I can challenge anybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This state is a no-go area. This state is a no-go. Whether you like it or don't like it or there. So, take the one you have taken. Stop making unnecessary comments. Take the one you have taken. Stop making unnecessary comments. If not, when I come out, So, I'm not here, and I want to tell anybody, I'm done begging. All we are here, we have taken a decision to support Asiwaju Bola Ahmed.
No, they fear you.
We agreed to support Ahmed Bola Tinubu in 2023. Nobody forced us. We are the first state that did it. We didn't lose election here. Now, food already. Everybody there jumping, talking. When it was hot then, nobody could say anything. We are taking that decision. For those of them who are talking about the state, Melembe,
As they sweet us, you go depend them. As they defend them, you sweet us. As they sweet us, you go depend them. As they defend them,
so this River State, I don't know. We have taken a decision. Akawo has told you here. If you are an ungrateful person, we can't continue with that. Yes. It is not that it anything anybody. And when the trouble will start now, they will run away. Yeah. That was how they pushed the young man, pushed him into trouble. When the trouble came, they all ran away. They've collected. They've not gone to pay back. So River State will take their decision. Yes. And we have taken a decision not to make the same mistake. Yes. It is loud and yeah. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter wherever you think. You can be national this, you can be national that, but you cannot be national in River State.
Yes, no many way. If you don't, I love you.
Sunday Igbo, thank you very much. God will continue to bless you. God will continue to be with you.
No.